Welcome back to my channel. I hope you will like this look. This is all about glitter. It's so easy. I will show you how I did this one. So first I applied the Calamine Secret Moisturizer. It's from K Secret brand, and applying it all over my face to moisturize it. And then I took the Sheglam foundation, which is in the shade Shell, and it's a long-lasting breathable foundation. I really like it because it's matte. So yeah, and then I used the Sheglam concealer. It's a 12-hour full coverage concealer, and this one is also really nice in whipped cream. It's a bit lighter, so anyways, then I am using the Sheglam soft shape contour stick in Espresso, and contouring my sides of the cheeks, my nose, and then blending it with the brush, with the same brush it comes with. You can also use beauty blender. And now I'm using the Sheglam blush highlighter, liquid blush highlighter in Orgasm and Torrid. I really liked the Torrid color, so I applied it more, and blending it with my Tarte stripling brush evenly. And then I took my brown shade from the palette of Sheglam, which is called Wet n Wild. It is a very nice matte brown shade, so I'm just buffing it in my crease and just blending it again and again with my MAC brush 217. So I basically wanted the brown shade and the rusty shade mixed together in my crease, all over my eyelid, and blending it softly again and again in circular motion. Just look at how I take the brush and blend it. And then I took the darker brown shade, which is a matte shade, on MAC 239, and just applying it on my lid evenly. We don't have to do it much because we will just apply the glitter on it. So I took the Sheglam Stay Wild Jelly Glitter in Peacock. It's a beautiful shade of glitter. It has multicolors in it. I really love how it turned out. It's so easy to apply with fingers. It's a jelly form glitter, so you don't need any other thing to put on. Just apply it directly and you're good to go. Yeah, the glitter is so gorgeous and so easy to apply. It doesn't fall out at all. So then I took the Glam. It's a black eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna make a small thin line and no wing. It's really up to you. If you want a wing, you can apply a wing. If you want a simple liner, you can do that. It really depends on the mood. So I was in the mood to do a very simple liner. This was requested on my Instagram, so I did this look over there and everybody loved it. The Sheglam products are so awesome. You can use my code, for 15% discount. I took the lashes from Pinky Goat, which is in Farah, and applied those off camera. If you have any request for the lashes, do let me know. And then I took the liquid lipstick in Topaz. It's a matte liquid lipstick from Sheglam. I love the formula and the color. I hope it was easy for you. Do like, comment, and subscribe. Love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Now enjoy my poses. Haha.